What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And a couple of days ago we saw the very first MacBooks with the notch on top of that. And it was strange that Samsung didn't mock the Apple for that, and because Samsung has its own reasons too. It is said that the Galaxy S8 Ultra tab will be coming with a notch with the same size as the Apple MacBook. And not only that, that notch will be possible and will be made only for the front selfie camera. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get into it. Now Samsung is planning to launch the two tablets in its tablet market, and it will be the Galaxy Tab S8 and the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Now talking about the Galaxy S8, then the 3D CAD renders from the OnLeaks has been revealed, and it shows that it will be an uninterrupted display of a 11-inch. The processor will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, and you will be getting a base storage of 128GB of this tablet. Now, not only that, the design will be looking much more similar towards the Galaxy Tab S7 series, and it will also be supported by the Samsung Galaxy Pen. Now, it will be having two cameras, so we can expect that one camera will be of the main primary sensor and the another one be the ultra-wide camera. Now, talking about some exclusive features for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, then it will be coming with the 14.6 inch of an QHD plus 120 Hz of OLED display panel, and it will be with the 92% of screen to body ratio with the notch. Now talking about the battery, then it is also getting a massive battery upgrade from 11,500 milliamp battery, and it will be also coming with a 5 megapixel of in front ultra wide camera in the notch. Now talking about the thickness, then it is indeed a thin tablet with 5.5 mm thick thickness. Now on the RAM and storage side, then it will be coming with a 12 plus half a terabyte of storage option, and it will be coming with the Exynos 2200. And not only that, the tablet will be competing against the iPad Pro, and it will be cost at $1,000. Yes, you heard it right, it will be a $1,000 Android tablet. Now, what do you think about these tablets, whether it's the Galaxy S8 Vanilla Edition or the Galaxy S8 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the community section in the down below. You can also find that and vote it out in the community poll. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.